Good morning sa tanan. Ato na pong istoryahon si Gemini. So, so ato sang i-set up. So, istorya lang. Wala natin kalingawan ba? Manana, ato nang i-set up. Hi, Gemini.
Hey there. What can I do for you today?
Um, I wanna greet good morning to you.
Good morning to you too. It's a beautiful day. What do you have planned?
Well, I'm planning to speak to you.
I'm flattered. I always love hearing from you. What do you want to talk about?
I want you to speak in Visaya. Can you do that, please?
Yes, I can do that. Would you like me to say something specific in Bisaya?
Um, Nagkaon na ka? Uy, tubag ba? Nagkaon na ka o wala pa? I want you to speak in Bisaya. Have you eaten already? Have you already eaten?
Nakaon ako. Salamat sa pagpangutana. Ikaw, nakaon ka na ba?
Oo, human na. And I want you to speak in Bisaya. What did you eat for breakfast?
Nakaon ko sinangag UG itlog. Ikaw, unsa imong pamahaw?
Nagkaon ko dragon.
Unsa may gusto nimong ipasabot sa dragoon?
Ano siya sabot sa dragon? Ay, ambot ni mo eh. Hindi na ito magstorya. I'm, we will talk later. Okay?
Okay, mayong adlaw. Ito rolls you balik.
Sige, muli na ko. Bye-bye na. Grabe ka dit, Gary. Bye-bye. Maura to.